See the first question there, beta. A rod of length 10 centimeter lies along the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter in such a way that its end is closer to the pole is 20 centimeter away from mirror. The length of the image is Try to see this question better. We got a rod of length how much? 10 centimeter. Lies along your principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length. Focal length is given for me as how much better? 10 centimeter. In such a way that its end is closer to the pole and 20 centimeter away from the mirror part of illustration. Now can you draw the diagram for this one better as per your understanding? What type of a mirror it is? Concave mirror. This is your concave mirror. This one is your principal axis and it is silvered in the outward direction. Focal length of this one is right now. That means from here to here. This is your focal length. This one is given as of your 10 centimeters. Okay. The rod of length is how much for me? 10 centimeters and which is along the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters such a way that its end closer to the pole. That means we are taking one end of the pole which is closer to this one. That means this is your pole. Length of this one is 10 centimeter and this end is, the closer end is 20 centimeter from the mirror. That means from here to here, this will be equal to your 10 centimeters. And length of this one is also 10 centimeters. So, okay. So this is your image. This one is say for example A and this one is say for example B. Okay. Is that clear, beta? So what will be the object distance, beta? Focal length will be equal to minus 10 centimeters. Object distance u will be equal to, this will be the object distance. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that will be equal to your 30 centimeters. So that will be your minus of 30 centimeters. So I need to calculate the image, where the image is being formed. Okay. So I need to calculate where the image is being formed. See, as the end as A is being located at the focal point of the mirror, isn't it? And A is being located near to the focal point of the mirror. So its image A dash will be produced at the same point, isn't it? See, for radius of curvature will become how much for me? 2 times of your f now. So it is 2 into focal length is 10. That means radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. And wherever is the object, the image distance will also be, like say if this is this one. So the image go to somewhere here right now, it will be right now. So here it will become for me A dash and this will become for me B dash. You need to understand that now. So now calculate this one. Use the mirror formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by your F. So 1 by image of the end B plus this will be equal to minus of 30 is equals to minus of your 10. So it is 1 by VB will be equal to your minus of 1 by 10 plus minus minus. So this will become for me plus if it is coming here right now. This is 1 by 30. So 1 by VB will be equal to your minus of 1 by 15. That means image of the B is at a distance of minus of 15 centimeters. Okay. So image of your B dash is at your 15 centimeters. That means this end is at your 15 centimeters. Now length of the image will be equal to your how much? What is the length of your image? So length of your image means right now I can write here A dash to your pole. This distance is right now for me 20. 20 may say you take out this 15. That will give me the length. So length of image. Length of image means A dash B dash. Length of image means A dash B dash will be equal to your how much? P A dash minus P B dash. P A dash from the figure is how much for me? 20. P B dash is how much for me? 15. So that will be equal to your 5 centimeters. हाँ बेटा क्लियर है सभी को चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror. From a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeter towards the mirror. The question is, the displacement of image will be okay. So an object is being placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length how much better? 15 centimeter. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeters towards the mirror, the displacement of the image will be equal to your how much? So first try to read the question carefully. We got an object which is being placed at a distance of your how much better? 40 centimeter from a concave mirror. So let me draw the mirror. This is your concave mirror. This is the pole and object is somewhere here. This is 40 centimeters. Focal length of the mirror is given, f is equals to 15 centimeters. So that will be negative concave. The object is being displaced through a distance of 20 centimeter. Okay. If object is right now displaced by 20 centimeters. So 15 है तो यहाँ पर कहीं पर होगा. This is right now O dash. It is being displaced by 20 centimeters. That means the new position of the object will be equal to 20 centimeters towards the mirror. The displacement of the image will be equal to how much? See, before displacing, let us try to first find out the image obtained by the mirror. So if I'm applying the mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by your F. So it will be equal to your 1 by image formed by the object when it is at 40 centimeter. V1 minus this one is right now for me 40 centimeter is equals to 1 by minus of 15 centimeter. So 1 by V1 will be equal to minus of 1 by 15 plus 1 by your 40. So calculate this one, we'll get the V1. V1 I'm getting as minus of 24 centimeters. Isn't it? Now as the object is displaced by 20 centimeter towards the mirror beta, so the new position of the image obtained by the mirror will be equal to how much? When object is at 20 centimeters. Again apply the lens, what do you call the mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by your U2, isn't it? So focal length will be equal to how much? 1 by minus 15, that is equals to 1 by V2. Image distance is 1 by 20. That means 1 by V2 will be equal to your 1 by 20 minus, this will become for me 1 by 15. So simplify this one, we'll be getting V2 is equals to your minus of your 60 centimeters. Minus indicates that the image is real, wherever the object is been present. What is asking the image? So the image will shift by how much? The image gets shifted away from mirror by a distance of how much? That is delta V is asking. So it is V2 minus V1. That is 60 minus 20. Minus n indicates direction only. So how much it will be? 36 centimeters. Shift in the image will be equal to 36 centimeters. Yeah. Yeah, it will be shifted away. Na? I have written here the word. It is away from the mirror by distance of your 36 centimeters. What did everyone? Any doubt in this one? What I'm assuming, but I'm not assuming anyways. I'm calculating as per the given data. See, if the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeter towards the mirror wala hai, so I'm displacing it by 20 centimeters towards the mirror. कौन से क्वेश्चन के लिए पूछ रहे हो? प्रीवियस मतलब कौन सा? फर्स्ट वाला. फर्स्ट वाले में क्या लेंथ ऑफ द इमेज क्या अज्यूम कर रहे हो आप? अज्यूम करने का कुछ भी नहीं है, एज पर डाटा में लिख रहा हूँ बेसिकली. इमेज इज एग्जैक्टली बिलो ना बेटा, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के पास है. अगर यहाँ पर ये है तो उसका ये का पॉइंट है नीचे, ए डैश वही आ रहा ना बेटा, दिस इज योर ए डैश, उसके नीचे ही आ रहा ना एग्जैक्टली उसका इमेज. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के पास कौन है? ये ना, तो इसका इमेज भी ए डैश नीचे ही आएगा ना. हाँ, हमेशा सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के पास रहेगा, लिखा है ना बेटा मैं. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के पास रहेगा तो इमेज भी सेंटर ऑफ इमेज कर्वेचर के पास ही रहेगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. गुड क्वेश्चन. ऑब्जेक्ट की वेलोसिटी दे रखा है बेटा प्रॉब्लम में. ऑब्जेक्ट वेलोसिटी इज मान के चलो 2i कैप माइनस ऑफ योर j कैप प्लस ऑफ योर k कैप. ठीक है ना. मिरर की भी वेलोसिटी दे रखा है. मिरर वेलोसिटी इज minus I cap plus 3 j cap. Okay, and mirror is in XY plane. Mirror is in your XY plane. Question is find velocity of image. Find velocity of your image. Try करिए. ऑब्जेक्ट की वेलोसिटी दे रखा है 2i कैप माइनस j कैप प्लस k कैप. मिरर की वेलोसिटी दे रखा है माइनस i कैप प्लस 3j कैप. एंड मिरर इज लाइंग इन द xy प्लेन बेटा. मिरर इज लाइंग इन योर xy प्लेन. अगर ये xy प्लेन है मतलब इसका नॉर्मल कहां पर होगा बेटा? नॉर्मल इज अलोंग z डायरेक्शन, यानी z एक्सिस पे रहेगा. क्योंकि मिरर xy प्लेन पे है तो उसका नॉर्मल कहां पर होगा बेटा? z एक्सिस पे रहेगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? अपने को क्या निकालना, क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ योर इमेज निकालना है. अपने को निकालना क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ योर इमेज. ठीक है ना? तो पहले आप क्या करिए, वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मिरर निकाल लीजिए. दैट इज वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट माइनस वेलोसिटी ऑफ मिरर. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट कितना दे रखा है? देखो प्रॉब्लम में वेलोसिटी ऑफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज 2i कैप माइनस j कैप प्लस k कैप माइनस velocity of mirror is minus of your I cap plus 3 times of your j cap. k cap नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो this will be equal to 2i cap minus minus plus हो जाएगा, तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास 3i cap. ठीक है ना? माइनस j cap and plus 3j cap, यानी it will become minus of 4j cap प्लस k cap. यहाँ पर 0 है तो ये बन जाएगा प्लस ऑफ योर k cap. So this is the velocity of object with respect to mirror. अपने को निकालना क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ इमेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मिरर. वेलोसिटी ऑफ इमेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मिरर विल बी इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी ऑफ इमेज माइनस वेलोसिटी ऑफ योर मिरर. ओके, सो वेलोसिटी ऑफ इमेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर मिरर मतलब जो भी अपने को वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मिरर आया, इजंट इट? वेलोसिटी ऑफ इमेज विद वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जब मिरर आएगा तो मिरर कौन से डायरेक्शन में? नॉर्मल में है ना बेटा. इसमें अब क्या करो, नॉर्मल मतलब k कैप. ये k कैप जो है ना, बस यही अपने को रिवर्स हो जाएगा, यानी ये हो जाएगा माइनस ऑफ योर k कैप. बाकी का सब एज इट इज रहेगा. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू योर 3i कैप माइनस ऑफ योर 4j कैप माइनस ऑफ योर k कैप. क्योंकि मिरर इज अलोंग योर z एक्सिस. आपको मालूम है अगर ऑब्जेक्ट मिरर के सामने z एक्सिस पे है तो इसका इमेज माइनस k कैप में गिरेगा. ठीक है ना? वैसे भी कर सकते हो आप, आपकी मर्जी, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो आंसर क्या गया? 3i कैप माइनस ऑफ योर j कैप माइनस ऑफ योर k कैप. ये माइनस कैप क्यों किया? क्योंकि मिरर इज लाइंग इन xy प्लेन, तो इसका z एक्सिस का कंपोनेंट में ऑपोजिट होगा ना ऑब्जेक्ट का इमेज, तो प्लस k कैप हो जाएगा माइनस k कैप. बाकी के तो एज इट इज रहेंगे. ठीक है? Any doubt to anyone? क्लियर है बेटा? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A concave mirror of focal length F. Produces a real image n times the size of object. What is the distance what is the distance of the object what is the distance of the object from mirror? हाँ बेटा, concave mirror of focal length F produces what type of image बेटा? Real image which is n times. देखो अगर image real है तो magnification क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Negative, isn't it? Image is equals to real, so magnification obviously इसका negative होगा, ठीक है ना? तो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस कहां पर है अभी मुझे नहीं मालूम, तो u इज इक्वल्स टू मैं ले रहा हूं मान के चलो -x, मैग्निफिकेशन दे रखा है प्रॉब्लम में माइनस ऑफ योर n एंड फोकल लेंथ फॉर द कॉन्केव मिरर तो ऑब्वियसली -n रहेगा, तो मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला m इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ योर v बाय u, isn't it? मैग्निफिकेशन कितना है मेरे पास माइनस ऑफ योर n दैट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ v, ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ योर x, isn't it? तो इसमें से मुझे v निकला, image v is equals to how much minus of your n times of your x. What is the distance of the object पूछ रहा है, so distance of the object के निकालने के लिए मिरर फॉर्मूला लगा लीजिए, 1 by v plus of your 1 by u is equals to 1 by f, ठीक है ना? तो इमेज कितना है बेटा मेरे पास 1 by minus of your n into your x plus 1 by u, u is equals to how much for me, or minus of your x is equals to focal length is also your minus of your, so everything is minus, तो minus minus सब जगह कट जाएगा, तो this will become for me 1 by n x plus 1 by your x is equals to 1 by your f, ठीक है ना? ये कट गया, ये कट गया, ये कट गया, ठीक है ना? just simplify this one right now. ये कितना हो जाएगा बेटा, इसका एलसीएम देखो, यहाँ पर हो गया इसका एलसीएम n into your x, यहाँ पर बन गया मेरे पास 1 प्लस यहाँ पर बन गया मेरे पास n is equals to your 1 by your f, तो x की वैल्यू निकालना है अपने को, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू योर 1 प्लस n into your f is equals to your n into your x, तो x वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू योर 1 प्लस n into your f डिवाइडेड बाय योर n, तो ये हो गया x की, क्लियर है बेटा? आई एम ऑडिबल टू एवरीवन? क्लियर है सभी को? Sure. Next question. A car is fitted with a convex side view mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. The second car 2.8 meter behind the first car. Behind the first car is overtaking the first car. Overtaking the first car at a relative speed of 15 meter per second. Okay. The speed of the image of the second car as seen in the mirror of first one is dash. Options are 1 by 10 meter per second, 1 by 15 meter per second, 10 meter per second, and 15 meter per second. Try करो. The car is fitted with your convex side view mirror बेटा. Convex side view mirror मतलब ये अपनी कार है, ये अपना रोड, और इसके पास कहीं मिरर है यहाँ पर इसके पास, और इट इज सिल्वर्ड इनसाइड, और इसका फोकल लेंथ दे रखा है f इज इक्वल्स टू, इसका फोकल लेंथ दे रखा है f इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच में बेटा 20 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो मीटर्स में कितना हो जाएगा 0.2 मीटर हो जाएगा, isn't it? And what is telling, a car is fitted with a convex side view mirror of focal length 20. Second car is 2.8 meters behind it. यानी इसके पीछे एक और एक कार है यहाँ पर which is 2.8 meter, isn't it? Second car is 2.8 meter behind the first car and is overtaking the first car at a relative speed of 15 meter per second. यानी the first वाला car जो है ना, he'll see the image of the car which is behind. So I can use this formula: velocity of your image is equals to your minus of your this is your v by u whole square formula, याद है ना बेटा, v by u whole square into your velocity of object, isn't it? Object distance नहीं दिया, object distance दे रखा है, image formation अपने को निकाल सकते हैं, focal length दे रखा है, object distance भी दे रखा है. So I can directly use velocity of your image is also equal to minus of f divided by u minus of your f whole square into velocity of object. ये हो गया minus into focal length हो गया 0.2 divided by object distance is minus of 2.8 minus this will be equal to your 0.2 इसका whole square into velocity of your object. ठीक है ना? वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट कितना दे रखा है बेटा प्रॉब्लम में 15. तो कितना आ रहा देख लिए एक बार. वेलोसिटी ऑफ योर इमेज विल बी इक्वल टू योर माइनस ऑफ योर दिस वन इज 0.2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.8 माइनस 0.2 माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा 1/15 होल स्क्वायर, isn't it? Into your 15. And a velocity of image will be equal to minus of 1/15 into 15. और यहाँ पर हो गया 15, तो ये वाला चला गया. तो velocity of your image will be equal to minus of 1/15 meter per second. This will be the answer. आ गया बेटा. चलो और एक क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए. An object is moving towards a concave mirror of focal length 24 centimeter when it is at a distance of 60 centimeter from the mirror. 60 centimeter from the mirror. Its velocity is 9 centimeter per second. The speed of its image at that instant is. Try to do it. Now only we did the same model, same question. You got an object moving towards a concave mirror of focal length. Focal length is given for me in the problem. Focal length is equals to what type of mirror? Concave. So it is minus of 24 centimeter when it is a distance of 60 centimeters. U is equals to minus of 60 centimeters from the mirror. Velocity of your image, velocity of your from the mirror, its velocity is velocity of object beta. Velocity of object is equals to 9 centimeter per second. Speed of the image at that instant is asking. So same formula again. Velocity of your image will be equal to your minus of your f divided by u minus of your f whole square into velocity of object. Isn't it? So velocity of your image is equals to minus of this one will be focal length is minus 24 divided by this one will be equal to minus 60 minus this one is minus of your 24 focal length whole square into velocity of object, that is nothing but equal to your 9. Okay, so this will become how much per meter? Velocity of your image is equals to your this one is minus of 24 divided by this one is minus of 36, this one is whole square, this minus will get cancelled, so this will become for me how much beta? 4 by 9. It is minus of 4 by 9 into velocity of object into 9 here right now. That means here this one is into 9. This 9 will get cancelled. So velocity of image is equals to your minus 4 centimeter per second. Velocity of image is equals to minus 4 centimeter per second. Minus sign shows that the object is moving towards the mirror, isn't it? Negative sign shows that object is moving towards mirror, because image is also moving towards the mirror. So its image is moving away from the mirror. As object is moving towards the mirror, its image also moves away from your mirror. Object is moving towards the concave mirror of focal length 24 centimeters part of relation. So what will be the answer for this one? I can write better. 4 centimeters away from the mirror. Velocity of image is equals to 4 centimeters away from mirror. Clear beta? अरे बेटा velocity of image का फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहा हूं बेटा. Velocity of image is equals to your minus of f by u minus f. शायद मेरे ख्याल से IC1 को ये फॉर्मूला नहीं हुआ है because of today's session. Actually IC2 को और boys को हो चुका है. IC1 को ये फॉर्मूला कल डेरिवेशन करता हूं बेटा. ठीक है ना? Is that clear? Okay, chalo, take care. Bye.